Meaning of Eric Gill.
Eric Gill.
Eric Gill.
Eric Gill.
Eric Gill. Eric Gill was an English sculptor, printmaker, and typeface designer who lived from 1882 to 1940. He is best known for creating several widely used fonts, including Gill Sans and Perpetua. Despite his contributions to graphic design, Gill's legacy has been complicated by his history of sexual abuse and incest, which only came to light decades after his death. His work represents a significant chapter in the history of typography, but it is important to acknowledge and grapple with the problematic aspects of his personal life.